If you're looking to start earning money from home, here are 10 steps to get you started. 1. Identify your skills and interests. Determine what you're good at or passionate about. This will help you focus on opportunities that align with your strengths. 2. Research online job opportunities. Look for legitimate online jobs or freelance platforms that match your skills. Popular options include freelancing, virtual assisting, online tutoring, content writing, graphic design, and social media management. 3. Set up a dedicated workspace. Create a comfortable and organized space in your home where you can work without distractions. Having a designated area can increase your productivity. 4. Develop a professional online presence. Build a professional website or create profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, or Fiverr. Showcase your skills, experience, and portfolio to attract potential clients or employers. 5. Network and connect with others. Engage in online communities, forums, and social media groups related to your industry. Networking can help you find job opportunities, collaborate with others, and gain valuable insights. 6. Create a solid portfolio or resume. Depending on the type of work you're pursuing, create an impressive portfolio showcasing your previous projects or a well-crafted resume highlighting your skills and experience. 7. Apply for relevant online jobs or gigs. Start applying for jobs or gigs that match your skills and interests. Tailor your applications to each opportunity, highlighting how you can add value to the client or company. 8. Build a client base. If you're freelancing, focus on delivering quality work and providing excellent customer service to build a loyal client base. Positive reviews and referrals can lead to more job opportunities. 9. Expand your skill set. Continuously learn and develop new skills to stay competitive in the online job market. Consider taking online courses or certifications to enhance your expertise. 10. Manage your finances effectively. As you start earning money from home, keep track of your income and expenses. Set aside money for taxes and create a budget to ensure you're managing your finances responsibly. Remember, earning money from home may take time and effort. Stay dedicated, be persistent, and keep exploring new opportunities to maximize your earning potential.